was saying, I'm on the way right now to meet up with a couple of homies. We're gonna go hit up a canyon. So it's about, I want to say about 30 to 40 minutes out from where I'm at. But I'm meeting up one of the other homies since he's on the way there. So we're gonna meet up together and then cruise to the main meetup spot. I want to thank you guys for liking and commenting on the last videos. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna try to get you guys some really good footage again today.
Hell yeah!
Hopefully we get through the day with no hiccups. So yeah, stay tuned. What's up, we all out here? Getting ready to roll. What up?
What's up?
And oh, we got the other Subi gang. Look at that Subi gang.
I had to get closer to my kind there.
You guys gonna grab some? We're ready to roll, or what's up?
What?
We're gonna roll, or you
go for
chill?
coffee.
You guys you
Coffee? Oh, he's gonna get some coffee. Yeah.
Coffee. Right, let the man wake up.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
What we got here?
Oh, you got a surf one? Yeah. How much is that? That one? It cost me $160 on eBay. I was lucky it was cheap. The only thing is the damage with the sticker.
What's up, Tony?
Hell nice!
You're getting saved though, cause the sun's right on you, so all you see is a silhouette.
Hell yeah!
You haven't unlocked that character, that's why.
Power steering. Is that an HKS filter?
Yeah.
So let's run it. Subaru.
Hey, how much horsepower is one of those come stock, the bug guys?
240.
240? Damn, I look at those. Damn.
Honda gang. I'm gonna run all the Hondas. Get clapped. Rolling? Let's go.
Go. Get out of here.
So who's leading?
I guess I'll go in the front.
Let me just mount my camera. Here we go! So we still dipping after this, or what are you guys gonna do?
Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to the canyon. But
I have to go back to the valley.
I'm gonna probably head back up.
Alright, man. So we plan another canyon, bro. We'll see where we go next, and
Right?
some more donuts.
You guys got any last words before to close out the video? George?
Roast for life, bro. Subscribe.